And welcome back to Big Cat's world of collectibles and entertainment. Here's another box break. I got this one in today. This is 2020 Topps Baseball Series 1. You get one autograph or relic card in every box, and plus there's a nice little box topper pack. And let's get to it. As I stated in the previous video, I've been collecting for over 30 years. Here's the box topper. Little hobby exclusive there. You get one per box. We'll set that aside for a minute. And here we go. Let's see what we can find in here. Pack number 1. There's 24 packs per box. Topps has been around since 1951. So, almost a 70th year set. Fernando Tatis Jr. Garrett Cole. Well, Max Scherzer 85 Topps variant. They're pretty good looking cards. I was a big baseball fan growing up. My favorite players were Mark McGwire, Pete Incaviglia, and Roger Clemens. Pretty much grew up in the steroid era, which was a lot of fun to watch, in my opinion. I always hate it when they put the cards in upside down. And Decade's Best of the Baltimore Orioles, 1960s. Pretty cool card. This is a hobby box, as I've said earlier. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. And yeah. I'm an Astros fan. I know we don't look that good in the public eye right now, but still. Would like to have another World Series, even though our 2017 win is a little tainted. I like the photos on these cards. They're pretty good action shots. Ronald Acuna Jr. And Jim Palmer, Decade's Best. That's pretty cool. I'm more old school when it comes to baseball, so hopefully we get an autograph out of this box. I always like getting autographs. Well, relic card would be off pretty good too. Our World Series card, Steven Strasburg. Pretty cool. The Hall of Fame inductee, greatest reliever of all time. Got a little 85 variant. I think those are pretty cool. Slightly OCD on how open my boxes. I like to do them one stack at a time. Like I said, some of the photos on these are pretty awesome. I think Topps did pretty good with this set. George Springer. Springer Dinger. And nothing really so far. Maybe our luck will change here. There's 25 of these boxes that has a ticket to some kind of huge event that Topps is putting on. Looks like we'll ever pull that. But it'd be nice if we did. I got your Molina 85 variant. Here's a rookie here, Jeff McNeil. Future Stars card. I've always been a big fan of Topps growing up, and to this day still collecting as an adult. Here's another rookie, Brendan McKay. Oakland A's. I've got a friend that loves them. Seems like all the Northern California teams. Here's the first rainbow card. Like father, like son. Craig Biggio and Probably just screwed up his name, but it's a live video. Who cares? Now, Craig Biggio with his father. Still waiting for that hit. They get the relic or the autograph. Or one of the golden tickets. Actually, that would be nice. Pete Alonso. So far, this box has been, I don't know my opinion on it yet. Like I said, I mainly collect just for fun. There's another rookie. Bryce Harper. Pretty cool picture there. I don't know what he's got on his head. Steven Strasburg. Center the Cat trying to invade the video. Juan Soto. I'm not going to talk about him either. You know, he's a heck of a ball player. And halfway through the box and a whole lot of nothing. Maybe our luck will change in the next half. So this video won't be so boring. This product was actually released on the 5th day of February, just a couple days ago. Jackie Robinson. Pretty cool. All right, here we go. Justin Verlander. And still a whole lot of nothing so far. Ooh, we just got a good one. Number 64 of 69. I just realized that was a black parallel before I almost put it over there, and it has to be a rookie. Andres Munoz. But there's the serial number on the back there. That's always cool. The first good card of the box, real good. Another rookie card there. Yeah, it's a little Babe Ruth back there. Trying to straighten the cards up. pretty cool looking. Reminds me of a 1956 Topps baseball design. I'll set that one in that pile. Mike Trout, they call him the best player in baseball. Mike Yastrzemski. Got a rainbow card back there. Hunter Renfroe. Kyle Hendricks. And it's Ahmed Rosario. Almost 3/4 of the way through the box. They haven't got our hit yet. Sorry, I keep blocking the names of the players here. That's a pretty cool shot there. JD Martinez. And the last pack of stack 3. We still have the box topper to go and 8 more packs. I mean 6 more packs. Sorry, my math a little off there. Alex Bregman. Pete Alonso again. Mookie Betts home run challenge. And it says enter the code below, register for the challenge, and choose the game date you think you'll hit a home run. You'll win a prize. And then there's the grand prize at the bottom. Trip to the Home Run Derby next year. Mookie Betts is a pretty decent bet to hit a home run. You gotta like that guy's hair. More upside down cards. As you may have noticed, that's one of my pet peeves, opening up cards. That's a cool shot there. Mark McGwire. One of my favorite players of all time. And I just knocked the camera over. Brilliant. That's even a die cut card. And looks like we may have our relic card. Major League Material. Walker Buehler. Little jersey card there. Pitcher for the Dodgers. In my opinion, I think this has been an okay box. I mean, we got that one serial number card and the jersey card. Houston Astros, my favorite team. Another 85 variant. And more upside down cards. And we got like 2 more packs after this, and then the box topper. I've heard good things about the box toppers. Josh Bell. Robinson Cano. That is one of the coolest cards. I've seen this card in other videos, and that's one of the cooler cards in the set, I think. Just a picture. Or should put it that way. Juan Soto again. Hero, one of the heroes for the Nationals this year. Another rainbow card. Mike Moustakas. Always like the refractors. And the next to the last pack, and then it's on to the box topper. Aaron Judge. Darryl Strawberry, best of the 80s. Always liked Darryl Strawberry growing up. And the last of the regular packs. Ryan Braun. More upside down goodness. And now, time for the box topper. Like I said, I've heard good things about these. We'll see what's in here. A little prismy stuff. 85 Topps variant. It's even a rookie. Juan Soto again. I got a Bryce Harper. All right, so far my impression of this year's Topps, I may have gotten a little bit of a dud of a box, but other than that, it's a pretty good product. I might have to buy another one to see if my luck was that bad. Anyway, we'll catch you on the next video, and I hope you enjoyed this boring video. Have a great day.